In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save DocuSign envelopes. By the end, you'll know how to download your signed documents and how to export the envelope data so you can track everything outside DocuSign. First, open DocuSign and head to the Agreements area. If you're asked to sign in, do that, and then look for the Agreements page where your envelopes live. This is your hub for drafts, in-progress items, and completed agreements. To save a copy of a completed envelope to your computer, locate the envelope you want and use the download option. You'll typically see a down arrow or a download button next to the document or inside its details view. Click Download. If DocuSign presents additional prompts or a confirmation, continue by clicking Download until your browser starts saving the file. Depending on your settings, you may be asked whether you want a combined PDF of all documents or separate PDFs. Choose what best fits your record keeping. Your file will land in your default Downloads folder, so consider renaming it and moving it into the right project or client folder to keep things organized. If you need to capture envelope information for reporting, you can export that data as a CSV. Back on the Agreements page, select the envelopes you want to report on. To do this quickly, use the Select All Rows option at the top of the list. You'll notice the selected rows are highlighted so you can confirm you've got the right set. Open the menu for additional actions, often labeled More Options, and choose Export as CSV. DocuSign will generate a spreadsheet-friendly file with metadata like subject lines, recipients, statuses, and dates, which is great for audits or building dashboards. Here's a helpful way to preserve work in progress. While you're creating an envelope, open the Actions menu and choose Save and Close. That moves the envelope into your Drafts folder so you can return later without losing any setup. This is especially useful if you're waiting on a final attachment or need someone else to review before you send. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Double-check the file you downloaded by opening it to confirm all pages and the certificate of completion, if included. Keep a consistent naming convention so documents are easy to find later. And when exporting CSVs, save them in a secure location alongside your PDFs so your documents and their data stay in sync. That's it. You've saved your DocuSign envelopes and exported the data you need.